looking to take a look at, just in a unique, especially in classics, 1979 Lincoln Continental. Great history behind this car. First of all, underneath the hood, 400 cubic inch V8, and that is paired up with an automatic transmission. Does have power steering, power brakes, AC. AC does blow cold on this one. Now, I mentioned the history of it. This car has been in the same family since new. Very, very original, down to the color, interior. Now, if you want to check out the undersides, engine bay, interior pics of this car, check them out at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Of course, you can always call us too, 507-386-1726. Go ahead and take a look at the front chrome. Original bumper, grille, it's not been re-chromed. It's in very nice condition. As far as the paint, there are some touch-ups on the front of this one with the flatter nose on these. You do get a few rock chips here and there, have been touched up along the lines. It appears a lot of the paint on this is also original. I think it has had a little paint work along the way here and there just to touch it up, but overall, again, very much the way this car would have came from Lincoln back in '79. Take a look up and down. First of all, let's do the passenger side here. Look at how straight this car is for how long it is. So you know it doesn't have a lot of body work done to it. If you take a look above the wheel wells, down around the lower rockers, you can just see there's no bubbling, not really any rust. Check out above that rear wheel well. You may not like those mud flap / rock guards on there, but you know what? Thank the person that put them on, because that's what kept this car from getting a lot of rock chips down below, exposing the metal, probably keeping this car in a lot nicer shape than it could have been. Then take a look from the rear to front. You can see how straight that is. As far as the vinyl top, appears to be original. Also in nice condition, and that's the way this would have came. With the half vinyl top, you can check out the data tag. It was also originally a white car with white interior. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with the transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Take a look at the rear bumper, all original there. Also has not been re-chromed. Left the Mankato Ford dealer placard on there. That is where this car was originally delivered to an M.R. Winkle, according to the dash, and it is now in the hands of, I believe, granddaughter. It was when she brought it in. Odometer reads about 30,000 miles. It's believed to be 130,000 miles. Looking at this car, wouldn't surprise me if it was 30. Again, take a look up and down driver's side and look the length of it. Again, you can see it's not wavy. It's not thick. It's not full of a bunch of body work. Look above these wheel wells. And it is the original body moldings. Bright work down the side, all original. And not full of nicks, dings, or scratches. This was definitely his baby, no doubt about that. Well taken care of. And again, above the wheel wells, you don't see paint popping, any sort of bubbling, anything like that. All right, let's check out the interior of this. You're also going to find that to be very original. We're going to start it up. Let's hear it run. Let me pull that key so I have to deal with the buzzer a second. All right. It's got power seats both sides, power windows, remote mirrors. This is cool. This would have been an option for the outside temperature right there. Another first-year option in this car was the AM/FM. And the style of 8-track player in here, right there, 8-track player. I think they called it a quad 8-track on this one. $407 option back in 1979. Not an inexpensive option. Take a look at that. The clock's still working. HVAC controls down here. Again, AC does blow cold. And why not? How about the Ford factory Lincoln CB in it. Here's your placard. M.R. Winkle. Guessing he special ordered this car, and that was put in there for him. Take a look at the dash. Not cracked, sunbaked, checked, faded, anything like that. Very nice shape on that also. Let's go ahead and start this up. There's where you can see the miles, 30,402. Again, can't really confirm or deny that going on the previous owner, stating that's 130. Judging by looking at the car, it's a well taken 130 if it is. See how easily it starts? Have the door ajar light, works. Let's close it up, so stop the beat. Light goes off, Essence seatbelt light off. No other indicators. Smooth running 400 underneath the hood. All right. Something else. Headliner, great shape. I'm gonna slip around to the back of this. That door closes nice. Slip around to the back so you hear it run. Not smoking. Good sounding car. All right, I'm gonna slip up to the front. Want to pop the hood, give you a shot of that engine bay, and we'll wrap this video up.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
That smooth running 400 again. AC compressor up on the top. Does blow cold. Power steering, power brakes. Pretty stock looking engine bay the way you'd expect it. This car does have cruise control. Went through our shop, technician that looked at it. Went down the checklist, checked out very good, and if you'd like to know about that, just consult with your sales associate. They'd be happy to go through it with you. We also have a third-party inspectors in the area here. Open door policy form. So any of the third-party inspectors, you wanted somebody to look at it, you can't make it to put your eyes on it and see it yourself. We do welcome third-party inspectors. Feel free to have them check this one out. Check out the underside pics of this car too. Looks like all original floor pans. Looks like there may have been an original undercoating on there. Yeah, you got a little bit of scaling, like you'll see in older cars, but as far as rust, nothing seems to be really rotting through holes, anything like that. Kind of like I went around the wheel wells. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with the transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.